Zola, wake up. Zola, come on. Okay, Zola, we need to go pack our stuff because we're leaving for Malakuta. You want to go pack? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Because this big blob is taking up half the space. You have a big eye booger, Zola. You need to clean that before we leave. Anyway, Zola? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Okay, me and Zola are sitting at the back because there's no room in the middle. Are you excited, Zola? Are you excited? It's Zola, you like the Airbnb? Yeah? Wow, Zola, you like the view? Zola, where are you? Zola, come here. Come here. Come here. Come down. Okay. This light is not very bright. Yeah, Zola, come here. Zola, come here. Come back here. This room is such a mess. What are you doing? So we were originally going to sleep here, but then I actually don't want to sleep here. I kind of want to sleep upstairs on the couch, so I'm going to sleep upstairs on the couch, but tomorrow I definitely need to clean this up. So let's go upstairs. Come on. Do you need help? You need help. Okay, come. Hi, Zola.